until to a tragic stampede during Bhole Baba Satsang in Hathras, Uttar Pradesh, claimed the life of about 87 people and injured over 100 others. Now, who is this Bhole Baba and what is his story? Let's delve into the history of this self-styled spiritual leader, Bhole Baba, whose real name is Suraj Pal Singh and was born in Bahadur Nagri village in Uttar Pradesh, Etah district. Suraj Pal hailed from a farmer's family and initially served as a head constable in Uttar Pradesh Police. During his service, he claimed to have worked with the Intelligence Bureau. In 1999, Suraj Pal took voluntary retirement from the police force after 18 years of service. He then adopted the name Narayan Sakar Hari and began his journey as a spiritual leader. He started delivering religious sermons and satsang across various villages and towns in Uttar Pradesh. Bhole Baba's following grew rapidly, extending beyond Uttar Pradesh to neighboring states like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana and Delhi. His followers admired his spiritual teaching and his persona, which was distinct from typical self-styled godman. Unlike many, he was often seen in a white suit and tie or a simple kurta pajama, accompanied by his wife Prem Bati. Despite his spiritual image, Bhole Baba has faced several controversies. He has managed to keep a distance from the media but has been involved in incidents that raised questions about his gatherings. In 2022, during a satsang in Farrukhabad, UP, the district administration permitted only 50 attendees during rising COVID-19 cases. However, over 50,000 people turned up, causing significant disruption and traffic snarls. Now, this is quite questionable, isn't it? Police cases have been filed against Bhole Baba for organizing such large gathering with proper permission and safety measures. Despite these issues, his popularity not want. This recent stampede in Hathras has once again brought his activities under scrutiny. However, crucially, the FIR did not name the conductor of the event, his spiritual guru, Jagat Guru Sakar Vishwahari alias Bhole Baba. The FIR alleged that the organizer of the event failed to divulge the actual number of people attending the satsang while seeking the permission to hold it, did not cooperate in traffic management and tried to hide evidence after the stampede. The FIR appears to have given a clean sheet to the police and administration, saying they did whatever possible from the available resources. The tragic incident in Hathras has promoted an investigation. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced financial assistance for the victims' families and dispatched a high-ranking official to oversee the situation. An investigation team led by ADG Agra and the Commissioner of the Aligarh is probing the cause behind the stampede. The incident reportedly occurred as devotees chased after Baba's vehicle when he was departing the venue. According to the police, the victims often collected the soil where the preacher had walked and the stampede ensued when some of them went down to gather it. Following the tragedy, police officer raided Baba's residence at Ramkutil Charitable Trust in Mainpuri district, but he was not found there. However, it is not yet clear whether he would be charged. Bhole Baba's journey from a police constable to a revered spiritual leader is a complex tale. His influence and following are substantial, yet his methods and the recent tragedy cast a shadow over his spiritual mission. An investigation continues. The truth behind his controversial gatherings will hopefully come to light.